in. Wow! How satisfying is that? I love these things. Make it rain.
All I have is this little guy. Also very satisfying.
Hey, give me that.
Stop! No!
What was that? Not cool! Who is it then?
She did it.
It was her!
Certainly not me.
I've heard enough. Let's go to jail. Get in there!
Oh no. Hey, over here! Never mind. So cold! Seriously? All good in here. Hey, I tried. This will be my bed. Wow, it's fantastic.
It's disgusting. I can't live in a place like this. Gross. Nothing a little green can't fix. Much better.
Our room is beautiful.
Ours? No. It's my room. Don't cross this line or else. Are we clear? Hey!
What? It's like there's a wall here.
Exactly. Bye.
So mean.
Hey, be quiet! Come to Papa.
I'm starving. Any food for sale over there?
Oh man. Okay, fine.
Yummers. Bon appetit. Oh no. Here. Thanks. Not again. Gimme.
Here, lady.
My food.
What? Is that a hot dog? I am so lucky. And now, we feast. Ready, Fork? Hey! What's wrong with this thing? You've betrayed me. Now we're talking. Come on. It's no use. I'll never get to eat.
Just gimme those. I have to do everything around here. Come on, bend. Well, that ought to do it. Need this?
Huh? Yes! Wait for it! It's really slicing it, look! Wow, what a beauty! Tastes good, too.
I can't hold on to these to save my life. What about me?
I think I have something. Yeah, hey, catch.
A slicer? Yeah, okay. Let's get slicing, baby. Ready? Wow. What an upgrade. Now for the good stuff. Who eats hot dogs plain anyway?
That was the best meal ever. But it ended too soon. But I can change that. Mine! A hot dog miracle!
I don't think so. Bad inmate! I need to eat too, you know.
Now what? I'm taking matters into my own hands. You're gonna feed me, understand? Now gimme that thing.
So mean!
Finally some hot, delicious food. Huh? It isn't real. And this? What?
That looks so good!
Wow! So squishy.
That's something else!
I know. What? Things are suddenly looking up. I've got work to do. Next step, teeth. Almost there. And done! Sweet, squishy goodness. Achoo! Anyone have a tissue? So nasty. But wait, I can put it to good use. There. Now lipstick. It's your time. Alrighty. Look! I have a burger.
What? No, I want it! Come on, hand it over.
No way.
Okay, fine. Fair trade.
I'd say it is. It's fake.
Hey, a burger? Incredible.
Oh no! My teeth need some help. You up for the challenge? First step, fill up the tray. Then it's bite time, baby. Phew. Feeling better already. Looking it too.
I feel awful.
What? What's that smell? It's you! Get that under control!
Okay. Wow, toothpaste.
Interesting. Hey, knock it off. I'm all sticky now. Help!
Perfect. Finders keepers. This is fun, and I know just what to make. Just look at this. My little toothpaste companion. Ready? Let it all out, baby. It's brush time. Extra toothpaste, please. Nice. Boy, that feels great. Better?
Huh? Oh, what's with your teeth?
Hey! No! I'm all wet. Actually, I needed that. Check out this $1 million smile.
It's fine, I guess.
It's so bright in here. Too bright. Hey, close your mouth.
I'm kicking your butt.
Slow down!
I'll just play by myself. Scissors, rock, paper. Never mind. This stinks.
Come on, come on.
I'm gonna kick your butt.
Not on my watch. See?
No!
You're sweating. Here.
A toilet paper roll? Jackpot! Now this I can play with. There. So cool. Look at this fun design. But I'm not done yet. Let's take this to the next level. Looking good. Just one more detail. Can you smile for me? So cute, right? My little kitty friend. You're my new bestie, okay? I love you too.
I almost got it. Yes, I won.
No, why?
Yes.
You won? No.
Hey, that's not fair.
Want to meet my new friend?
Nope. I don't.
Why did you do that?
Is the coast clear? I could use a little snacky snack. Bring on the goods. So beautiful. And they're all mine. Starting with sour apple. More, more. So yummy.
Ew.
What have I done to my candy? My precious snack stash.
Stop crying! A new controller? Cash. Hey, look at this. Catch!
Hey, what's that? It certainly looks promising. Wait a minute. My lollipop! So luck is on my side. Hold this. Thanks. Oh no! Is it ruined? Oh no, it's a candy miracle.
At least I have this, I guess. But wait, there's candy in here! Oh yeah! Sweet! No way! Free lollipop? And hair, that's alright. Good as new! Hey! Wait, I can do that too! Who needs expensive gadgets when you have brains? Wow! Now for some personalization! Everything's more fun with a face! Let's see here. Okay, got it. Say hello to Officer Lollipop Protector. Need a hand? Or rather, two. Lick, please. So yummy. Gotcha! I'm about to blow. Here it comes.
Hey, you're over the line! That seat's half mine.
Do you mind? What? I want to poop.
Oh yeah? Not on my watch.
Two can play that game.
You'll regret that.
Oh yeah? There! Stop it! You're unbelievable. Wait, it's too full. Oh no!
Is that what I think it is? Ew! I need assistance. Yes, come fast. Hi, fix the toilet.
Seriously? I don't get paid enough for this. This is gonna be bad.
Don't forget that spot.
Still have to go!
This is taking forever. So annoying.
Wanna talk?
Besties.
Wanna know a secret?
Really? Him?
Hello? Look at this! No one will miss it. Awesome. Okay, it's done! The toilet! I can go now! What? Just her side? No!
What time is it? You're crying about the toilet?
I don't think it's funny at all. Huh? What's that? I'm so tired. Wait, what? Am I dreaming? I'm gonna be rich. Jackpot! Yo, officer! Let me out!
For me? My pleasure.
Closer, closer. Come here, good boy. It's for you.
Oh, happy day. Wait!
Bye-bye.
Come back here! No!
What? I don't belong here! Help!
Time to pay for your crime!
This place is so disgusting. And it smells like a toilet. Oh.
This stuff looks toxic.
But I think I see something. A door? Who put you in there? Help me! Oh, it's okay, Dolly. Huh? That water looks like sewage. But I guess that's better than nothing. Hold your nose. Yuck. At least the green gunk is gone. I could use that rug.
Say it out
Got
loud.
it. Thanks. There you go.
I am fresh and clean.
Oof, nasty. You can have
Be
this back now.
proud, everything's allowed. Achoo! Oh, blimey, I got my allergies again, mate. Oh, I should probably go make some tea for me. Yeah.
Did that really just happen? Hilarious. Oh well, but we still have a problem with your hair. Those ends. Why are they crunchy? Let me think. I must have something around here. I know. Over there.
Wow, very nice. Man, I love this thing.
How do I get it? I have a plan. I can feel it. Nice! I need this one to be really long. You have to get all the way to the desk. There. Now go fetch me that trimmer. I have just one try here. I got my target. Aim, fire! That was close. Again. Yes! Come on, just keep it coming. I can't believe this worked. Let's get rid of those nasty ends. So satisfying. This is so much better. Do you like it? I think you look fantastic. But I can style it super cute. You really can go wrong with some braids. Almost there.
Nice, but I want some color too.
Hair dye in prison? I think we can make it. Okay, this marker should do the trick. Hope you like red. Just like a hair salon. Just hold nice and sit still, okay? Wow! What do you think? You kinda look like a rock star. So, to think all I used was a marker. So resourceful. Okay. Ha! Yes! Oh no, he's coming.
Looks pretty good. Done and done. Hey, it's out of ink already? How is that possible? There's probably some more. There! I knew there was some ink in there. What would this place do without me? Fixed. Well done to me.
Did you see him?
Mustache check. What on earth is on my mouth? Ah! Get off!
Surprise! Happy birthday!
Oh, you remembered my birthday. What a wonderful surprise! I love these donuts. Oh, so good.
Oh, he's not gonna eat all those. Oh no, he's drank. All I need is a straw. Nothing left in here, huh? What?
I need a new dress.
You're so right. But what about all those balloons? They are pink too. Good thing I've got this little guy. In you go. Got it.
Oh, I'm sure it was nothing. So good.
Perfect. You ready? Looks like it fits like a glove. Can you believe that used to be a balloon? Nice. What's that smell?
That was delicious.
Ew, gross. That stinks. Sorry about that. What's all this?
You destroyed my makeup. Fix it.
I'll fix it.
Hey, your food. Eat up, inmate. Enjoy.
Gross. No way. Hey, what is this? Wow, what is this? Cool, but what can I use it for? Let me think. Huh?
Oh, that really hurt. Okay.
What's a weird guy? What do I do with all this? A mouse? Hey, let's put this to good use.
Oh boy, is that cheese?
A mouse! Get out of here!
Got it! That was easier than I thought. Perfect for collection sequence. Here you go. Now you're sparkling. It's like a mermaid or something. I hope you like it. Oh, so beautiful. What?
Oh, please don't hurt me. Please.
Oh, chill, bro.
Oh, afraid of a little mouse, huh?
Oh, thanks, girl.
Good boy. You're happy? We need to wax. What's under here? Jackpot. How old are those things? This one's wet. Let's get rid of that hair. It won't hurt. I know what I'm doing.
Ouch! Ouch! Be gentle!
Wow, those are some smooth legs. This definitely isn't chewable, which gives me an idea. Let's wrap this sucker up. He loves his sweets. Enjoy.
Interesting. Very interesting. Oh, I guess it's snack time.
Oh my god.
This tastes a bit different. Maybe it's a new flavor. Nice, though.
He likes it? No way. Anyway, what's wrong?
It hurts! It hurts so bad!
Oh, what do you mean? It's okay. Huh? Hang tight. I got it, girl. This thing is thick. You need shoes. What's he doing over there now?
I'm such a good crafter. Shame I don't do it for a living.
I could use those supplies myself. With the help of this.
Huh? Who's there? I'm coming to get you.
Perfect. Now it's my turn. Oh, so annoying. I need your help. There. Grab them. Good job. Time for materials. Okay, what do we have here? Huh? Yo. What about this? And this? First, I need to cut the straw. Perfect. These are the soles. And glue. Gotcha. Nice and sticky, baby. It will hold this part perfectly. Check out these cute things. They fit.
Oh, wow! It's so comfy! And they're super stylish!
Definitely. Oh, he's back.
Oh, what happened here? My sweet Valentine's card is ruined. My sweet Fiona.
Excuse me?
Huh?
I came for my daughter.
No, she did this.
How about this? Perhaps this will change your mind.
What is this? Let me check. Great Scott! I'm finally a rich man! You're free!
It was about time. See you again, never. Thank you, Daddy.
Oh, honey. I brought you a toy.
It's Ken! My favorite! Let's play! Now kiss.